because we were really a team. Kasi
Oo, ang weird
even if we didn't like each other, we really loved each other on screen.
Alam mo, pag binigyan mo nga kami ng script, titignan lang namin, alam na namin
Alam
mangyayari.
na namin. I think we're the best.
Nag-direct na ako, kasi talagang totally different.
But then you see, like now, you have a job that's more lasting. So, yung redirection mo din was because you were supposed to be where you are today. You have how many kids?
I have 3 na.
Wow. Parang expected ko naman na magkakaroon ka ng madaming anak.
Kulang pa nga eh.
Talaga?
Inasal ko lang si Liv. Ang saya, kasi syempre dati hindi mo naman i-expect na magkakaanak. Iba yung mundo. May iba talaga yung mundo mo. It will evolve around them. And grabe lang yung journey. Kaya ako sinagot ni Liv dahil sa kanya rin. Dahil binigyan ng ghosting. Kung alam mo kung ibang ano yan, baka wag na yan. Wag na yan.
So, sabi ko talaga sa kanya, oh my God, this is it, Liv. Sabi kong ganyan. If you don't wanna waste your time on everybody, siya na talaga yun, that you're not wasting your time kasi kayo na talaga magkakatuluyan. Kasi alam ko na...
Buti nga good words yung sinabi niya. Thank
Good
you ah.
word to
Yeah.
word.
And I was going here, I was more excited than nervous. Sabi ko lang sana, pa nag-usap kami parang dati.
Naguguluhan kasi ako sa'yo.
Alam mo yun, alam ko naman concern ka sa akin.
I'm so proud that you have always been a survivor in this industry and you are where you are today. You treasure your heart so much na kaya mong mabuhay kahit hindi na sila ang magdidikta kung anong dapat ka, kung sino dapat kasama mo. And I feel like you deserve that because you've always worked hard since you were a child. And not many child actors will be standing in your position now. Aside from that, you're married, you have children, you have a beautiful home. This is a forever friendship. Yun yung sabi ko kay Angelica, sabi ko sa kanya, kahit anong mangyari, forever ko kayong mahal eh.
Grabe naman yun. Thank you, Hearty. Thank you so much. Hindi ka mawawala sa buhay ko because hindi lang sa mata ng maraming tao but even for me, malaki yung part mo sa journey ko. Alam ko na nakikita na lang ng mga tao ngayon is ngayon. Pero hindi nila alam kung paano ka before, kung paano ka umabot sa ganyan na bata ka pa lang, yun ka na. And I'm just so happy na hindi ka rin nagbago. Kasi coming here, akala ko talaga ma-intimidate ako kasi may ganun eh. Kung iisipin ko yung magandang heart na memories ko, syempre kasi ako sumira, di ba? Aaminin ko na. Pasensya na po sa mga Joe Heart.
You're
Pasensya
my
na sa mga-
forever friend.
Pasensya na sa mga Joe Heart. Like, you know, I was like,
And I think this is the beauty of it kasi we were friends first before anything else. Kaya walang masisira doon.
yeah.
As in, forever, forever. Diba?
So, kailan nga yung anniversary?
020202. I missed you.
Nakakamiss ka, no?
Missed you.
Grabe, I never thought we'll have
Don't
this.
forget me.
Hindi talaga mangyayari, Artie. Unless magka-amnesia ako, ah.
So I feel like na-heal ako. Na-heal ako today.
May maganda kaming conversation after that. Yeah.
So this has been Missy and Hiwan!
Nangyari
See you
din,
guys.
no?
Yes, it's not the end. So at the end, tandaan nyo, kailangan at importante. Kahit pa-forward tayo, marunong tayo tumingin sa pinanggalingan natin. At wag na wag natin kakalimutan yung mga nakasama natin during our trials, during our good times, at sa mga tumulong sa atin, sa mga careers natin. To the Prats family, I just wanna say, malaking utang na loob ko sa inyo dahil hindi mabibigyan ng break si Missy ang kakakayan ko kung hindi dahil sa inyo. So always be grateful, and I am grateful that I still have the friends that I had back then. This has been such a wonderful episode, one of my favorite episodes of Heart World. Hindi pa dito matatapos ang Heart World dahil sobrang dami pang mangyayari. So I'll see you in the next episode of Heart World. Hello everybody! Welcome to another episode of Heart World. Ito masasabi ko, isa sa mga pinaka-paborito kong episode because this is a first time for me and a first time for you.
I landed already in Shanghai. You're late. Yiran Tian is the very first show that we have at 8:30 and it's already 6 o'clock. We gotta leave the hotel at 7. Timer starts now.
One of my most favorite. Xinguang.
苹果暂时不在库哦。要不要看看挖酷酷毛绒手办？
Napakasakit. I don't wanna, ano. Ang sakit-sakit. The other night, it was just yun, nahulog yun sa akin. Sabi ko na nga, ba't dapat di ko na lang sinuti? Kakapikon. Please, please, Lord.
Thank you so much for coming, Camila. Thank you so much. The pictures real quick, yes. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you.
Amazing. So join me on this very, very wonderful adventure for Shanghai Fashion Week.